Hey, what's up, YouTube? Uh, Today is absolutely awful day to be doing any kind of work outside. We just had a strong cold front come through here in South Texas, and it's windy. It's wet outside. It's nasty. So, hurricane repairs on my home have halted, and I figured today I'd do a little video. Uh, I recently purchased a 2003 Lincoln Navigator. Uh, and I'm using this car primarily to get to and from work, and also to use for my regular life as well as other than work. But I occasionally pull a boat. I do a lot of fishing. I have several boats. So I needed something that I could put all my stuff in and stay nice and dry. I didn't really want a truck. Um, It's because I've got a heavy duty 1 ton that I can use for pulling heavy stuff or moving something in the bed of the truck if I had to. But I ended up with this Lincoln primarily because I found a better deal on the Lincoln in the used market than I could on a Ford Expedition or even an Explorer. I'm guessing that those are a lot more desirable and sell faster and have a higher resale value to them because uh, people, that's what they're looking for in the used market. They don't think, oh, Lincoln Navigator. They think that's an expensive car. I'm assuming this is why I found it. I mean, I just noticed that the Lincoln products had a lower resale value than some of the lower end stuff. And, I mean, I think this car retailed for like somewhere probably in the low 40s, high 30s. I don't know. I'm just guessing. And you know, most that's pretty expensive for 2003 back then, and even now, the way cars are priced, there's no way I would buy a new car. I just wouldn't. It's insane the prices they get for them now. But I like it. It's clean. I got it out of California. For two reasons. One, we've had a hurricane and a flood this year, so the used car pickings here in Texas are pretty slim, and you don't really know what you're getting in the used car market here. Also, I wanted to get away from any kind of rust or wear buying an older car, so California was a good place to look, and I found a very, very clean Lincoln, um, and so far so good. It's four-wheel drive. Pretty loaded. I'm not sure. I haven't checked into all the options it has, but it has everything I need. Trailer towing package, four-wheel drive. I've set it up for work. I've put in the WeatherTech floor mats. You can see that one's already doing its job. And I've also installed the Caltrend digital camouflage seat covers. The leather in this car was in great shape. But since I'm using it for work, I don't want to mess it up. And if I ever need to go somewhere nice or whatever, I can always pull these off and be right down to the nice leather underneath. Uh, so that's what I've got on the inside. Oh, and I've also switched over to the LED lights on the interior. I've also got the LED lights. I don't think you can see them there, no. But I didn't. But I've got the LED lights in the mirrors as well, and I'm gonna be installing some logo projector puddle lights on the doors this week. Um, so I've got that coming. But the real reason I'm doing this is I just wanted to. I'm gonna be modifying this car a little bit. I'm gonna do some things that are gonna give it some extra horsepower. Hopefully increase the gas mileage on this vehicle, and just all around make it a car that's mine. I very seldom do I have a car that I just leave alone. Other than like my wife's car, I don't really do anything to her cars, but I'm a car person and I like a little extra with my vehicle. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So far, I've installed an exhaust, and I'll try to go along each step of the way as I go and kind of give updates on how the little modifications that I do turn out. And so we'll see what happens. I'm not going to be putting this thing on a dyno or anything. I don't care to spend that money. I might later, um, but we'll see. That'll be something. If I decide to do what I think I might do, I'll have to put it on a dyno. But we'll just wait and see. That's going to be down the road ways. So for now, I'll kind of update you as I go, and we'll see how this thing turns out. Peace.